Good morning guys, in front of me is Redmi A3 and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. First of all, open the settings, then find and select System and now mark Backup right here. So as long as you are already logged in with your account, you will notice your account at the top of the list. If you are not, you will have to provide your email address along with the password and then customize the backup. So mark those info that you want to backup. I want it to be active on both photos and videos and other device data. So as you can see here, other device data means contacts, call history, device settings, app and app data, and messages, and then click on confirm to activate it. And that's it. Here you can also manage your backup if you want to. You can either leave it this way and your device backs up data automatically over Wi-Fi after it's been idle and charging for 2 hours. But if you want to do it right now, just mark backup now. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.